Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Stay Sharp is probably one of the most essential tools you can have in your kitchen, designed to make food preparation not only easier but significantly safer. Imagine effortlessly slicing through ripe tomatoes without crushing them, or dicing onions with precision and speed. This isn't just about having a sharp knife, it's about investing in a tool that enhances your culinary experience, reduces frustration, and ensures that every cut is clean and controlled, making your time in the kitchen more enjoyable and efficient. Number 5. Gidli Heavy-Duty Kitchen Shears with Bonus Seafood Scissors. Every kitchen needs reliable tools. This set offers sharp all-purpose shears and dedicated seafood scissors to make your meal preparation faster and more efficient. Upgrade your culinary game with this indispensable kitchen solution. Crafted from heavy-duty stainless steel, these blades are built to last. Slice through chicken, fish, vegetables, and more with effortless precision. They are strong enough to handle even chicken and fish bones. Love seafood but hate the hassle? These specialized scissors make dealing with shells a breeze. Spend more time savoring your meal and less time on cleanup. Enjoy shrimp and prawns hassle-free. Designed with comfortable, ergonomic handles, they provide a secure grip for both right and left-handed users. They are dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning and come with a protective cover for safe storage. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. These tools are designed for reliability and performance. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a one-time free replacement under our lifetime guarantee. No hassle, just sharp, dependable shears. From slicing tough meat to cutting delicate herbs, these multipurpose scissors tackle any kitchen task. The bonus seafood scissors add even more versatility, making them a favorite for home cooks. What we like? This set comes with both all-purpose shears and dedicated seafood scissors, making meal prep a breeze. If you frequently cook seafood or want to simplify tasks like deveining shrimp, this is the perfect choice for you. Enjoy peace of mind with its lifetime replacement warranty. What people say. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. The product works design function feature facts mentioned. Number 4. Keep sharp, build a better brain. Did you know your brain can continue to grow and adapt throughout your life? It's never too late to invest in your cognitive health and build a sharper mind. Discover practical, science-backed strategies designed to enhance your memory, focus, and overall brain function. These techniques are proven to make a difference. Whether you're in your 20s or your 70s, this guide offers valuable insights. It's designed to help anyone looking to maintain or improve their mental acuity. Learn how simple daily habits can lead to significant improvements in your brain health. Small changes can have a profound impact on your cognitive abilities. Embrace a path to a healthier, sharper mind. Start building a better brain today and experience the benefits of enhanced cognitive function in all areas of your life. What we like? This product is not a physical item but a guide to cognitive enhancement. If you are looking to improve your mental sharpness, memory, and overall brain function, regardless of your age, this resource is for you. It's ideal for anyone interested in lifelong learning and cognitive well-being. What people say. The product works as expected. The design is sleek and modern. It has a user-friendly interface. Number 3. Matsato Chef Knife, Japanese Steel Kitchen Knife. Meet the Matsato Chef Knife, designed for every kitchen. Whether you're a home cook or a professional, this Japanese steel knife is built for durability and everyday use. Experience superior balance and control with its solid handle, crafted from premium materials. This knife makes every cut easy and safe, offering a comfortable grip. Handcrafted using traditional techniques, this knife effortlessly tackles any culinary task. It blends timeless style with modern functionality for your kitchen needs. Featuring a premium stainless steel blade, it's designed to stay sharp without dulling or chipping. You can always rely on its consistent sharpness for precision. This multi-purpose tool is perfect for chopping vegetables, meats, and herbs. It's a rugged addition that makes meal preparation a breeze. Arriving with a professional finish, it makes an ideal gift for Father's Day, birthdays, or any occasion. Show your appreciation with a gift of quality and utility. This 6.3-inch Japanese stainless steel knife requires hand washing and immediate drying. Please do not place it in a dishwasher to maintain its pristine condition. What we like? This chef knife is crafted from high-quality Japanese steel, offering excellent balance and control for all your kitchen tasks. If you're a home cook or a professional chef seeking a reliable, multi-purpose knife for chopping vegetables, meats, and herbs, this is an ideal addition to your kitchen. It makes a thoughtful gift for any cooking enthusiast. What people say. The Stay Sharp is a great addition to my kitchen. Its sleek and modern design fits perfectly with my other appliances. I love how easy it is to use the Stay Sharp. The controls are intuitive and the results are consistently excellent. The build quality of the Stay Sharp is impressive. It feels sturdy and well-made, which gives me confidence in its durability. Number 2. Work Sharp Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener. Introducing the Precision Adjust Elite Knife Sharpener, a professional guided sharpening system for all your kitchen and pocket knives. Achieve perfect edges with ease. This system comes with 7 different abrasive grits, including diamond, ceramic, and a leather strop. You can select the perfect grit to meet the specific needs of your knives and tools. Easily adjust the sharpening angle anywhere from 15 to 30 degrees. Choose from various grit options to restore old blades or create a polished edge, even on serrated knives. Quickly switch between grits on the sharpening stones. You can also easily swap out the sharpening rods without interrupting your sharpening process. This sharpener is designed, engineered, and calibrated in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure the highest quality by meticulously checking each product. We stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. You can trust in the quality and durability of this sharpener. What we like. This is a precision sharpening system designed for maintaining your knives at a consistent angle. If you own a variety of kitchen or pocket knives and want to achieve a professional, razor-sharp edge at home, this tool offers adjustable angles and multiple abrasive grits for customized sharpening. It's perfect for those who value precision and knife maintenance. What people say. The Stay Sharp is a game changer for anyone who wants to keep their knives in top condition. Its innovative design allows for easy and safe sharpening, even for beginners. The compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens or for travel. Number 1. Work Sharp Professional Precision Adjust Knife Sharpener Kit. Achieve professional level sharpness with this robust metal knife sharpener. It's designed for all types of knives, even small ones, and sharpens at angles as low as 15 degrees. This system comes with 7 different abrasive grits, including diamond, ceramic, and a leather strop. You can precisely tailor the sharpening to meet the specific needs of your knives and tools. Easily set your desired sharpening angle between 15 and 30 degrees with the digital angle indicator. This ensures a clean and precise sharpen every time for your blades. We stand behind our products with a comprehensive 3-year warranty. Each sharpener is thoughtfully designed and rigorously quality checked at our Oregon facility. This sharpening system is designed, engineered, and calibrated right here in Ashland, Oregon. We ensure the highest quality by working with top-tier manufacturers. What we like. This complete sharpening kit offers a professional-level experience for all your knives, from kitchen to hunting blades. If you're looking for a robust system with a digital angle indicator for precise sharpening between 15 to 30 degrees and a comprehensive set of abrasives, this is the ultimate tool for maintaining your entire knife collection. It's ideal for serious knife enthusiasts and professionals. What people say. The Stay Sharp is a great addition to any kitchen, keeping knives consistently sharp with its easy-to-use design. Its compact size makes it perfect for small kitchens, and the non-slip base ensures safety during use. The multiple sharpening stages cater to different knife types, providing a professional-level sharpening experience at home. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.